Hello and welcome to the short presentation about the application procedure for our Master of Science in Business Administration. Would you like to apply for a master's degree program with us, but you don't know how? Wait and see. We will guide you through the individual steps. Do I meet the requirements? How can I apply? In which language are the courses taught and what level of language do I need? We will now guide you through all these questions step by step. So what are the admission requirements? Firstly, you need a bachelor degree in business administration or a bachelor degree with an equivalent content. What would be an equivalent content? For example, a bachelor in business informatics is sometimes equivalent. Secondly, your final grade should be at least good, which would be a German grade 2.5 or better. And your bachelor program has to be equivalent to at least 6 theoretical semesters. What does theoretical mean? It means that it does not include ECTS points from an internship. In your bachelor program, you must have earned at least 180 ECTS points, better still, 210 ECTS points. What other requirements are there? We need to see that you have at least 20 credits in the subjects maths, statistics, or economics. Related areas such as accounting or finance are not accepted. However, it does not matter whether your credits are only from one subject or a mixture of all three. Unfortunately, we do not offer any pre-courses or accept additional courses from other universities. These 20 credits must have been part of your bachelor program. Where and when can I apply? The application takes place via the application portal of our university. The application period is between the 2nd and 31st of May. For a successful application, you need to fill out the application form in the portal and upload all requested documents. You can find a list of these documents on our website. What do I have to do when I have a foreign degree? If you have a non-German bachelor degree, you need to send it first to UniAssist to have it converted. Please do this before the end of March. You can find more information under the FAQs on the homepage. In which language are the courses and what level of language do I need? If you would like to study business administration, you have to choose between 6 different specializations. The 5 master programs on the left are mainly taught in German, but have a few lectures in English. The Digital Technology Management program is taught completely in English, so you do not need to have any German skills. You don't have to upload an official language certificate. However, during the aptitude test, we would check whether you have sufficient language skills. For Digital Technology Management, you need B2 language skills in English. For all other master programs, you need B2 knowledge in German and English. Hopefully we could clarify some of your questions. If you have further queries, please feel free to contact us.